Greetings and salutations, Average Rider here. Let's install the Puig New Generation Sport windscreen on my 2018 Honda CB650F. Wow, that was a mouthful. I'm going to be replacing my Kappa A1159 windscreen. While I really like the look of the Kappa on my Honda, the Honda CB has become a bit more of an adventure tourer for me, and I wanted to get a taller windscreen. Let's start with a quick unboxing. My buddy Ryan over at Fort 9 thought I would like this windscreen. He shipped it to me for free. Well, I had to pay for the windscreen, of course, but shipping was free. It came really fast as always. I have never purchased a Puig part before, and I must admit, I'm a little impressed by the box. It looks very nice. But what I was surprised to see was that the box was badly damaged and just taped closed. The only items in the box was the windscreen and the instructions. Let's see if the windscreen is damaged. Thankfully, it's perfect, not a scratch. I also did not expect the windscreen to come fully assembled. There's a single Puig logo on this side, and CBF is cut into each mount. I love small details like this. Here's a quick view of the motorcycle without any windscreen. Truthfully, I think this bike looks so much better with a windscreen, any windscreen, covering the large forehead of this transformer head. And here's a quick view of what my old windscreen looked like again. The instructions say to remove these two bolts and then fold the dash/headlight forward. Loosen these bolts and slide in the windscreen. The windscreen mount has a notch, not a hole, so the bolt doesn't have to come all the way out. But I am positive I can loosen these bolts without removing the dash. Now to unscrew them enough to fit in the windscreen. And just like that, it's on. The last thing to do is tighten the bolts again. It's now on solid. I peel off all the stickers except the small Puig logo. Here's a quick view with the windscreen installed. Much better. Not that it matters, but I didn't expect this little gap here. Now for a test ride. I can definitely tell there's more wind protection with the Puig New Generation Sport windscreen compared to my previous Kappa windscreen. I also like how the windscreen gives the front a more adventure touring look, yet maintaining a sporty look at the same time. It seems more and more that I am making this bike into an adventure touring motorcycle. For me personally, this windscreen is exactly what I wanted for the bike. The lines work perfectly with the Kappa handguards too. Now I just can't wait to get out on another adventure. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We'll see you in the next one.